Okay, so check it out. It's Trevor James, and today I'm with a couple local friends here in Penang. Food heaven. And today we're going for some awesome Indian food. I'm really excited. What about you two? Yeah? Awesome. Let's go check it out. Curry heaven. This is the spot. This is the spot. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Where is this? This is Northern Indian or Southern Indian?
This is a South Indian and Northern Indian all to mix.
Oh, mix?
Yeah.
Wow, look at all the flavors. So the plan for us is we will eat as much food and we want to try as much as we can.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go find a seat. Very hungry. Thank you. Okay, we sit here?
Yeah, sit here.
Okay.
Fish head curry, huh?
Wow, fish head curry. Mutton Punjabi.
Yes. Tandoori chicken.
Oh, tandoori chicken. Look at this tandoori chicken. Wow. Tiger prawn.
Tiger prawn.
Tiger prawn. Oh, biryani rice. Biryani rice.
Mutton Punjabi.
Mut-
Rogan josh.
Rogan Josh. Oh, banana leaf. Banana leaf. Eggplant. Punjabi eggplant. Yeah. And this?
Potato masala.
Potato masala. Wow. Thank you. Amazing.
Naan bread.
Naan bread.
Only lava.
Oh. Thank you. That's great. Is it good? Do you like spicy? Yeah. Amazing. Oh, it's warm. Rogan Josh, white rice. I can't think of a better thing to eat right now. It makes me happy. Honestly, I want to retire here.
Really?
Yeah, I could live here forever. Just for the food. Eat food like this every day. I'm a left-handed guy. Okay, here. Oh, tiger prawn. You want one? Mango lassi. Oh, oh. If you leave Penang, do you miss the food?
Yeah, there's one time when I'm traveling to China, then I miss Penang food
Really?
every day.
This would not be the same without some local friends to taste it with. What do you honestly think about the food here?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Like I came here twice a week or sometimes 3 times a week.
Really?
Yeah.
Just dip some of that garlic naan into the Rogan Josh here. Oh. Wow. Eating bite after bite of these flavor-packed curries is a highlight of visiting Penang. Each curry is a flavor bomb of its own, but my favorite was the mutton Rogan Josh, a creamy and smooth yet spicy lamb, juicy filled curry that was an instant hit the moment it hit my lips. And after you leave, you can still taste all those spices in your mouth, like a smooth bomb of garlic, star anise, cloves, fennel, and cardamom. Wow. I really like your art on your hand.
Thank you.
That's henna, right?
Yeah, henna.
Is that common in Penang?
Yes. It's one of the considered decoration for the Indian ladies, especially, or some of the Malay. It's called henna.
Henna.
Yeah, with different designs. Normally they will do it only for the festivals or like during the wedding ceremony.
Yeah.
Yeah. They do it for the whole hand.
For the whole hand.
Satisfied with the food?
Yes.
Okay, if you are feel like very tasty and satisfied, you fold the banana leaf like this.
Like towards you.
Yeah, towards.
And what if you fold it this way?
Means that you are not satisfied. Taste bad.
So this is taste bad.
Yeah.
This is taste good. Tastes good. Tastes very good. Thank you so much for watching these food and travel videos, and today I'm so happy to be able to share this meal with both of you.
I hope you enjoy as well.
It was just amazing. Those curries, so much flavor. Penang is really a food heaven, and I am very jealous that you both get to live here and eat food like this every day.
Come here and live.
I want to retire here, honestly. Okay, let's keep exploring. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Leave a comment, subscribe.